In this video, I show you how to delete or uninstall any launcher on Android phone. For doing this, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to default apps, then go to home app. Now change here your default launcher. For example, Pixel launcher, Source launcher, or System launcher. Click on it. Now go to settings again, then go to apps and click on which launcher you uninstall. For example, my case, Citizen TDL SML launcher. Tap on it. Now tap on uninstall. Now okay. Now I hope that you remove delete launcher on Android phone.